Welcome to our channel. Today we're breaking down how you can get travel rewards through American Airlines programs, step by step. Simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Join the AAdvantage program. Sign up for American Airlines AAdvantage online. This is their loyalty program where you earn miles for flights, credit card spending, and partner purchases. Membership is free. Step 2. Link your flights. Whenever you book a flight with American Airlines or partner airlines, enter your AAdvantage number. This ensures you earn miles for every qualifying flight. Step 3. Earn miles through partners. You can earn additional miles by using co-branded credit cards, booking hotels, renting cars, or shopping with AAdvantage partners. Check the program website for eligible partners. Step 4. Track your miles. Log into your AAdvantage account to monitor your earned miles and account activity. Make sure all your flights and partner purchases are credited. Step 5. Redeem miles for rewards. Use your miles to book free or discounted flights, upgrades, hotel stays, and other travel perks. You can redeem miles online or through the AAdvantage Service Center. Step 6. Take advantage of elite status. Frequent flyers can qualify for AAdvantage Elite status, which unlocks bonus miles, priority boarding, and other exclusive benefits that accelerate your rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.